Good afternoon and welcome to Casita, Helena. And this is a great little townhouse, 2 bed, 1 bath, 1 story, communal pool, outdoor parking. Sorry, we got a little friend just wanted to join the video. Right, so basically we've sold a number of these units over the last 2 years. Mainly I think because they're very low maintenance, great access, you've got open views, a 20 square meter terrace at the other side. They're on all main services, and they are very close to amenities, just very convenient all round. So they're good for holiday homes, lock up and leave. We have a number of owners actually living them full time. Okay, just looking for something small and easy to maintain. Okay, and there's essentially 5 blocks of 4. Okay, so like I say, we've sold a number of these very recently. So this one is actually commences from here. Okay, so this is the kitchen window. Then you got the main door, and that's one of the bedroom windows there. Okay, so you're able to park in this area here. There's also communal parking at the end, which I will show you where the pool is. But it's very quiet. Okay, it's just essentially this road is used for residents only. Okay, so main front door is a solid wooden front door. Okay, typical kind of Andalusian. And what you've got is quite a large living area. Electric oven and hob, extractors in, fridge freezer. You've got 3 aircon units included in this one. There's a microwave there, enough room for a dining table, and then obviously you've got the lounge area where you've got the wood oven there. You've got 2 ceiling fans, okay, and you've also got the patio doors which lead out onto your terrace. There's the AC, okay, so it's a Panasonic unit, and this leads out onto a private terrace. Now on the title deeds, the terrace is included. Okay, so that's 20 square meters. Then, what do you see in front? A lot of people have adopted that land. Okay, so it's not in the title deeds. Okay, the developers agreed that they landscape and maintain it. But what you've got there, yeah, essentially is quite a large area. Again, with nice views. You've got yuccas tree, you got the old false pepper tree in there. Okay, and then back round, it helps just shade off a bit of the noise from the road, because you do get a degree of noise, but obviously you are very close to amenities and obviously only 20 minutes from the coast. Okay, so you've got the security grills on the door and the window, a little storage unit in there as well. But here again, great views, and you really could do something quite nice with that. Like you see next door, they fenced off. Okay, and everyone's kind of adopted it and taken it on as their own. Okay, so back into the main living area. So here you get a different perspective. You know, it's good size living. The floor tiles are acceptable. This is the main bedroom. Okay, so this is a double with, again, the AC unit, which a lot of them don't have. Fitted wardrobes as well in both bedrooms. And then you've got fly screens in as well. Okay, so just quite basic, but certainly very, very practical, very easy to maintain, easy to clean. Okay, so you've got the bath there with the overhead shower. Okay, it's a 3/4 size bath, I think that one. Toilet and sink. Nice archway there as well. And then this is a twin, but it also could be a double as well. It is big enough. Again, with the fan and the AC. There's your front window there. And then you've got a big storage in the double wardrobe. There's an alarm system fitted to this one as well. Okay, so it's nice and secure and it's nice and quiet. Okay, so I'm going to finish off. I'm going to take a quick walk down to the pool area to show you what is available here. So this is essentially the access road. Okay, so it's all retained with this rock retaining wall here, and you've got, say, there's blocks of 4. Okay, so there's 20 units in total, therefore there's 20 units that have access to this communal pool. And just to give you an idea, there's very few people use it, but the cost of the communal charges here are, I think they're about 250 euros per year. Okay, so it's very minimal, and you know, I think certainly something to take into consideration when obviously you're looking at a very reasonable price for a 2-bed unit with access to this type of services, basically. Okay, so there is a present to the community. It's all done officially. Look at this, no one's here. It's a bank holiday Monday and no one's using the pool. You got it's all secure there through gates and what have you. But yeah, look at that, great views. You got a shaded area, tables and chairs, views of the mountain, and again, just a bit more communal parking just over there. Okay, right guys, so if you want more details on Casita Helena, then I've got a feeling this is not going to be around for long. It's given the market, given the amount of sales that we've had on this particular development over the last 2 years. Contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.